Good work with the stick by Gagne. In the slot, he's got it. Fires. They score! A shorthanded goal.
Gagliano's decision was pretty easy this low in the slot. Just snap it off, and he did.
I think when he takes a look at this on video, he's going to see he was in really good position, Eddie. He just wasn't able to stop a perfect shot.
The Ducks now have a one-goal lead in the first period. Perhaps they can build on this and carry something sizable to the dressing room. The Canadians have killed off the penalty. Penalty box is empty for them. Score! And the game is even.
Petrie's body position was key to be able to snap this one home.
Allen's beat low on the glove side. That's a real quick release that he can't get to.
Montreal's got this game tied here late in the second period. Lots of time left. Lots of exciting play ahead. It's a face-off win. St. Louis carrying on up the wing. A breakaway. Score! They have struck early in this one.
He had that look of no doubt he was going to score on that breakaway.
I don't know, Enzo, how he can do much more than that. The shooter's got all kinds of room to put it in. The goaltender never gives up on the play, but it's in the back of the cage.
The Blues now have a one-goal lead in the first period. Perhaps they can build on this and carry something sizable to the dressing room.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Slides it to the point. Score! Off the iron and in.
Well, he had a lot of time and space there to let that wicked shot go from far out. That is a heavyweight shot.
Enzo, good airtime on this pass. Flat when it lands, and the shooter has a